fellow Toastmasters. My name is Linda Dorn. I'm the Club Growth Director for District 6. I am so excited to invite you and everyone you know to our virtual open house on Thursday, September 24th from 7 p.m. to 8:15 p.m. Central Time. District 6 has pulled together a great team of Toastmasters to plan this event, create marketing materials, and to serve in all of the roles that you would expect at an open house. All we need you to do is to promote this event. You can promote this event in myriad ways. I sent a flyer to all members in Toastmasters recently. Take that flyer, post it on your club website, on your club Facebook group, and other social media sites. You can also share that flyer on your personal social media accounts, perhaps even a LinkedIn account. If you feel comfortable, you can print the flyer out and post it at your work. If you have a corporate intranet that you can share it that way. The most important thing is that all of our members take a little time and share that flyer and personally invite everyone you know to this event. Why should you invite everyone to this event, and why should you attend as a Toastmaster? Here's why. We've done all the work to plan an event. All you have to do is invite your guests and then follow up with those guests after the event to see if they have any questions, and then ask that important question if they'd like to join. Why should Toastmasters attend this event? You can see a framework to see how we at the district level put this event on and how we organized it and the entire structure. The most important thing is to share the good news about Toastmasters. Won't you please join me in promoting this event? I look forward to seeing you and your guests on September 24th from 7 o'clock to 8:15 p.m. Central Time. Thank you very much.